welcome back again. Today this is the part 5th video of the same chapter number 11, transportation in animals and plants. So in the part 4th video you have learned about transportation in plants, that how plants are transporting their food, the which leaves are preparing during the process of photosynthesis, and how the roots are transporting the water, minerals and nutrients which roots are taking from the soil. And I have also told you that roots have a root hair which increase the surface area of the root for the absorption, for the proper absorption of water, nutrients and minerals from the soil, and it transport to the whole part of the tree. And leaf is preparing food, so leaf is transferring food to the all parts of the plant. So the two process, that is known as xylem and phloem. These are the two main tissues in the plant. From these two tissues, plants are transporting all the substance, xylem and phloem. So today in this video I am going to explain you about the most important system in our human body, that is circulatory system. First of all, what is the meaning of circulatory system? Means to circulate. हर एक चीज का प्रॉपर सर्कुलेट होना हमारी बॉडी में, डेट ब्लड यू नो हमारी बॉडी में सर्कुलेट होता रहता है. जब तक हम लाइव हैं तब तक हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेट होता ही रहेगा. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल my one question I am going to ask from you, if I get a cut on my body तो क्या होगा? Of course blood flows out. So what is the blood? Let's see first of all. Blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessel. Blood कहाँ flow होता है? It flows into the blood vessel. The blood that circulate in the body distribute food and oxygen to different cell of body. Just keep this thing in mind कि when the blood distribute, the blood जब circulate होता है हमारी body में, it carries the food and the oxygen to the different cells of the body. Means we have seen many times this word cells. I telling you again that cell is a very structural and a functional unit for an organism because it works many functions for the human body. Cells are very much important thing in our body, means they are performing many important functions. So when the blood is circulating in the body, so it distribute food and oxygen to the cells of the body. Now what is the function of the blood? के blood के दूसरे functions क्या है? It takes the digested food from small intestine and give it to the all parts of the body. Means the food which we have eaten. Means आपने सीखा होगा अभी excretion system में हमने सीखा कि some part of the food is digested and some part is undigested. So undigested food comes from our body in the form of anus through the excretory system which we have seen. And what about digested food? The digested food is in the small intestine. That from small intestine blood takes and it gives to the all the parts of the body, or you can say to all the cells of the body. This is the first function. Now what is another function? It receive oxygen from the lungs and give it to the all cells of the body. From lungs, blood is taking oxygen, rich oxygen. Then it gives to the all cells of the body and to all the parts of the body. And the third function is it also helps to take a waste material from the body. जो waste material होता है वो हमारी body को help करता है बाहर निकालने में. अब कैसे? That you have seen in human excretory system, we are having two kidneys, left kidney and the right kidney. In their kidney दोनों type का blood आता है, the rich blood and the blood which is not good for our health. Means जो अच्छा blood होता है, the which is good for our health, it flows again, it circulates again in the body. But जो harmful blood है वो हमारी body के बाहर आ जाता है in the form of urine. In the form of urine it comes out of the body. तो वो किसकी help से हुआ? With the help of the blood only. So three important functions are there. I'm repeating again. The first is blood is taking the digested food from the small intestine and give it to the all parts of the body. Second one is it carries oxygen from the lungs and give it to the cells and all parts of body, and it also help to take waste material from our body. So these three are the main important function of the blood. So again देख लो एक बार, blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessels. ये बात याद रखनी है. I will ask this in MCQ. Now what does the blood contain? हम तो बोलते हैं हमारे अंदर blood है, but blood के अंदर there are some components are there. Just see which components are present. So blood consists of plasma, RBC. RBC stands for red blood cells. WC stands for white blood cell, and platelets. These four things are there in blood consist. First one is plasma, RBC, WC and platelets. Now the thing is that हमने blood क्या है वो भी सीख लिया, blood के functions क्या है वो भी सीख लिया, and what the blood consists of we have seen over here. But the question is that कि why does the blood appear red? हमारा blood red क्यों होता है? Because the number of RBC it's more compared to the WBC. RBC का जो amount होता है वो WBC से ज्यादा होता है. This is the first reason. But another reason is that due to the presence of hemoglobin in the body, hemoglobin की help जो होता है present है उसकी वजह से हमारा blood red होता है. Just listen again. Due to the number of RBC is more than compared to WBC. RBC अगर ज्यादा होगा red blood cell तो white blood cells कम ही होगा तो इसलिए हमारा blood red होता है. दूसरा रीजन ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन. हेमोग्लोबिन की वजह से हमारा ब्लड रेड होता है. नाउ विदाउट हेमोग्लोबिन इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर आवर बॉडी टू गिव अ सफिशिएंट ऑक्सीजन टू द सेल व्हिच दे नीडेड. मैंने बताया कि सेल हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत काम कर रहे हैं. मींस इफ दे आर वर्किंग फॉर अस सो दे नीड ऑक्सीजन. So without hemoglobin it is not possible for our body to transport a efficient oxygen which a cell is needed. So hemoglobin का होना बहुत important है. एक तो blood को red करता है वो और दूसरा it give oxygen to the cells. Now what are the components of blood and what are the function of that components? Now this is the topic. हमने देख लिया कि which are the components included in the blood: plasma, RBC, WC and platelets. Now what are the function of all these components? Let's see first number plasma. So what is the function of plasma? It transport nutrients. What it transport? ये nutrients transport कर रहे हैं. Salt, gases and the wastes. These four things plasma are transporting. Nutrients, salt, gases and waste. Now RBC it transport O2 means it transport oxygen to the all cells of body. RBC पूरे body में O2 transport करता है means oxygen. WBC white blood cell what is the function of this? It fight against germ. It fight against germ cells that may enter our body. Means whenever in our body any germ is entering, कोई germs अगर enter हो रहा है तो WBC हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ही उसे फाइट करता है, जैसे उसको वहां पे डिस्ट्रॉय करता है जिससे हमारी बॉडी पे कोई उसका इफेक्ट नहीं हो. तो WBC इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी बिकॉज इसकी वजह से जितने भी जर्म्स हैं हमारी बॉडी में एंटर होते हैं इसको वहां पर वो डिस्ट्रॉय करता है. अगर WBC नहीं होगा सो हमारी हेल्थ जो होगी बार-बार खराब हो जाएगी. सो WBC इज आल्सो नोन एज सोल्जर फॉर आवर बॉडी. Why it is known as soldier? Because soldiers are there. So what they are doing? They are protecting to us. So WBC is also act like a soldier for our body. WBC यहाँ पे हम soldier लिख देना उसकी जगह पे. Then you will come to know कि it is act like a soldier because it fight against the germ. Now platelets. It help in blood clotting at a site of bleeding due to injury. मतलब blood clotting में help करता है injury होती है. अब नाउ यू हैव सीन कि जब भी कोई इंजरी होती है तो ब्लड कम्स आउट ऑटोमेटिक, ब्लड बाहर आ जाता है. अब ब्लड विल फ्लो. अब थोड़ी देर के बाद वो ब्लड स्टॉप हो जाता है और वहां पे रेड कलर का मार्क हो जाता है. तो व्हाई इट इज? बिकॉज अ डिफरेंट सेल्स आर देयर ऑन दैट स्किन. डिफरेंट सेल्स हो जा रहे हैं स्किन पे, उसको बोलते हैं प्लेटलेट्स. तो ये हेल्प करता है ब्लड को स्टॉप करने में. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड कि व्हाट द ब्लड कंसिस्ट एंड व्हाट आर द फंक्शन ऑफ द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द ब्लड. Second topic is types of blood vessels. Now you have seen about the components of blood and their function. Now there are three type of blood vessel. The first one is artery, second one is vein, and third one is capillaries. Now what are the function of artery, vein, and capillaries? Just have a look. The function of artery, the blood vessel that carries blood from heart to the all parts of the body. इसका फंक्शन क्या है? It carries blood from heart. ये हार्ट से ब्लड लेके और कहां तक जाती है? टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. जस्ट कीप these two words in the mind. Artery carries blood हार्ट से लेती है and it gives it to the all parts of the body. Now vein, the blood vessel that carries blood from all the parts of body to the heart. It's a opposite हो गया इसमें, यहाँ पर पूरे parts of body से लेकर वो जाती है heart तक, और in the artery its blood takes from the heart and give it to parts of the body. And last one is capillaries. Exchange of materials occur between blood and the cells of tissue. Materials का exchange होता है यहाँ पर, means exchange of materials occur between blood and cell of tissue. मतलब जब exchange हो रहा है यहाँ पे blood का from the body parts and from the heart and from the heart to the body parts, means जो material होता है बीच में यहाँ पर उसका exchange होता है कहाँ पर, capillaries में, means ऐसा waste form we can say. So these are the three type of blood vessel. Arteries function, take blood from heart to the all parts of body. Vein from all parts of body to the heart, and in capillaries exchange of the material. So I hope today you understood about circulatory system, that what blood is, what blood consists of, why does blood appear red, what are the function of components in blood, and what are the function of types of blood vessel. So whatever doubt if you are having related to this video, you can ask from me during online session. Thank you and have a nice day.